Hello friends, this is Saishwar and you're watching which channel? Never Settle channel. Okay, this is the I think this is the 10th day of my challenge, English speaking challenge. Okay, today I will talk about React. React is our today's topic because we need to learn React in future. I will upload videos on React also. Okay, the topic is React. Let's start the topic. React is a JavaScript framework. We know JavaScript. We are doing videos on JavaScript now. React is a JavaScript framework. It is used widely in the world. It is developed for particularly for web applications. It is developed by Facebook and maintained by the Facebook, and also it has large scale of community, developer community. This is about the React description. Now let's dive into the React technology. Okay, I will tell you in point to point. First one is React is a component based library. In React we can build components and we can use them, we can reuse them in various places in our project. With the help of this component we can build a whole web project. These are the components we can use it. Normally nowadays we are using functional component, but last from in previous to 4 5 in previous 2 3 years they are used only class components. Now we are using functional components. Component is nothing but dividing code. If you write a code in only in a one file, then it will give you irritation, so you need to divide your code into small chunk of files. It's called components in React. You can reuse that components in any area of your project. Normally in web pages we have DOM means document object model. In React we have a virtual DOM. When you update a state, then React will create a virtual DOM and compare that to virtual DOM with the main DOM and change the particular part of the DOM. This is the main feature of React, because normally JavaScript it will update a whole DOM tree. It will reload the page, but in React we only update the small part of the component. It will never reload the page or never re-render the whole DOM. The third point is JSX. We know HTML. Already I did some videos on HTML. You know HTML, but in React we have JSX. It is mix of JavaScript and HTML. The JSX is written in JS files also. If you try to write HTML code in a JS file, it's not possible. But if you want to write JSX in JS file, it's possible because of React. React uses JSX. And the fourth point is state and props. I know if you are a fresher and what is state and what is JSX and what is DOM, these are the unknown words for you. But if you are a developer, then you know something about this. Okay, the fourth point is state and props. In every web application we have some state, it's called memory, and props. We can pass props to components. I told that we have components in our web application, React web application. If we want to pass some information from one component to another component, it's called prop. Like if you use a component as a parent and use a component as a child for that parent, then you need to pass some data from parent to child. It's called prop. And also you need to store some values in the state, because you need to show the data on the web page. That's why you need to store the values in the values in the memory. That's called normally state. It is important to understand the state and props passing to the components. It is most important in React. The fifth point is unidirectional data flow. In React we have data flow. It is something like I told that we can pass data from parent component to child component. It is called the data flow. In React we have that. We can't pass the data from child to parent, but we can pass the data from parent to child. It's called unidirectional data flow in React. It is a way to transfer data from one component to another component. In React we have life cycle methods also. This is the sixth point. Normally life cycle methods are mounting and unmounting and updating. When you when your file is opening, the method will be mounted, and if you do something for it, then it will be updated. And if you remove the method from that component, then it will unmounted. It's called unmounting. If you learn about React, then you know about these component React life cycles. In function component we use a use effect and use state for maintaining these life cycles. Use effect is the mainly to maintain the life cycle. React hooks, these are introduced in when React 16.8 version. These are the functional methods. Normally in React we have state in class methods. With the help of these React hooks we can update these class methods in our React functional components. These are more helpful in managing state, and these are the easiest way to manage the state in React project. Some of the hooks are use effect. Use effect is not a hook, I think. Use state and use location, and use effect also a hook. These are the hooks. We have so many hooks in our React. We can learn by doing our project. And React router, you know router is, it will route you from one page to another page. It's called route. In React we have React router DOM. In React router DOM we have so many features like routing one page to another page. Normally React is a single page application. You don't have any multiple pages in your React application. You can build multiple pages if you want. It is a single page application. In a single page application you can do lot more with React DOM. In single page you can build routings, and with in each route you can build a page. It's called React routing. React route DOM is helpful in navigating the pages and routing the pages in React project. And also React has large scale of community and ecosystem, and developers also, they are contribute to React packages. And also we have npm. In npm we have so many React packages we can use in our projects also. They are built by lot of developers, so many developers. Those are free, and some of them are paid also. Friends, this is the video about React on I think the 10th day of my English speaking challenge. I think it is I think I am doing better. I am speaking better now. So speak every day. I will show you my previous video and present video in a day. That you can understand. If you speak daily, then you will speak easily in English. Okay, bye bye, मिलते हैं next video में, bye bye.